Let's continue with our lesson. Please create borders. How do you create a border? Select your table, and then we can click borders. I want borders on all of the cells, so I click all borders. Nice. All right. I've estimated my numbers in here. Now, I want to find out how many hours every week I do each activity. Let's zoom out to 125. And in column I, I'm going to write total hours. Now we're going to do something called a formula to automatically calculate the number of hours I do each activity. So let's, in this tool, this work bar, I'm going to write equals sum parentheses, and I want to add the sum of B2, C2, E2, F2, G2, H2. You see the sum of B2 all the way until H2. I'm going to put a parentheses here and then enter. Now, automatically it calculates my total hours for sleeping. Let's see, I did schoolwork, nothing on Sunday, 2, 2, 6, 4, 3, 0. And let's do another formula here for my total hours doing schoolwork. I click up here, equals sum, parentheses. Let's start on Sunday. And then I drag my mouse all the way over until Saturday. You see it says B3 to H3. Let's make sure. B3, that's this cell, all the way to H3. Yes, that is correct. I click here, end parentheses, enter. 17 hours doing schoolwork, a lot of time sleeping. Let's see, I play on my phone a lot. Let's see how many hours that is. Equals sum. Let's do B4 all the way to H4, parentheses, enter. Oh my goodness, 25 hours working on my phone and only 17 doing schoolwork? Mrs. Basili, come on. Work at my job. I work sometimes 5 hours, 0 hours. Sometimes I work on Tuesdays, not on Wednesdays. And I work 5 hours. Okay, I'm going to do my formula again, equals sum parentheses, because we are adding the hours, parentheses, enter, 18. I want you to continue with the whole table. When you finish, please share with Mrs. Basili. I'm looking forward to seeing your activities this week. Bye.